Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Deborah, and as promised I am doing a 2000 subby giveaway, and I'm giving away a journal. So this is one that I made for a recent class that I did, and there's quite a bit of inking and grunginess in this one. I have reached 2000 subscribers. Actually, I'm over that now, so thank you very much to everyone who has subbed to me. I really appreciate it. And this is what I'm giving away. This is what you'll go into the draw for. So I've got some gorgeous, this beautiful colour purple violet sort of seam binding around as the closure, and this is done with the Hortensia paper pack from Stamperia. But what I've done is I've enhanced it by doing a lot of inking on it. You can see down here and also on her face here, and this is all inked around the edges. So this is a really super grungy journal. So if you like that style, I'll show you through and then I'll tell you how you can win it. So the cover is made from chipboard front and back, as is the spine. It's only got one signature, and in the back I have a little card there, and again all inked and grunged up. And then let's have a flip through so you can see it. And there's a few just plain pages, but some of them aren't. Now this is a belly band, and in here I've got a piece of paper that I've folded in quarters. This is from one of the books that I buy from the op shops. And then this is tea-dyed paper. So it's a mixture of tea-dyed paper and Stamperia paper. I've got a little fold out here. I've also got this beautiful paper. Often the problem with these papers is the images are quite large and they're meant to be used in scrapbooking. So I'm always looking at interesting ways that I can use them in my junk journals. And then also it contains not just the Stamperia paper, but these, which are the chipboard pieces that go with the paper. So like this clock, this piece here, got little tags from the paper as well. Then there's a fold out, that's a piece of chipboard as well. That folds out, and in here I've got a little tag and another piece of chipboard on that tuck spot. I think actually this goes in here. It's just when I've put it together I haven't put things back in the right spot, but there is a tuck spot or a little pocket, side pocket in here. Then again another pocket with some of that paper in it, and then a little short page with lots of embellishments on this one. I've made a little tag, sort of tab top out of those pieces of chipboard on this smaller page. Then I've got a paper bag in here with a couple of little pieces in them and a dragonfly. And then this is a piece of the paper, and I've put it onto a piece of tea-dyed paper, and then I've made a little opening here so you can open it up. It's just got a little photo turn on there to hold it together. And then I've got another side of a paper bag here. I've got another little pocket in here, and then an envelope which flips out. It's got another piece of paper in. It's all covered inside the envelope as well. Then here I've got a top envelope that's got a tag in it, and then I've got this on a little half page, this one. Then down here I've cut this image out and I've mounted it onto the tea-dyed paper, and then this is a separate piece that I cut out and put in there. This was just plain inside, and that's on tea-dyed paper. And then I've got this piece with the bird, and then this is a short page, so I've just put two things on there. Then here I've got this, which is the center, so these are two of the images that come on the paper. Then I've got that beautiful lady there on tea-dyed paper, and pocket down here with different tags in them, you can see. And this one here, which again has got a little tab top on it. Then this is another one of those frame images. I've made it into a pocket, and I've got this envelope that I've grunged up and put inside it. So you could add something else into the envelope there if you wanted to. Then that's the other side, and then I've got another half page here with some quotes on it. And then this one here, which is a pocket, so it's got a couple of tags in there. Then I've got the little bag with a little piece on it that you can write on. And then the tea-dyed paper again, more of the chipboard, then another paper bag with the little pocket on that side, this piece here with more of that chipboard on it. I've got a couple of little tags into this pocket here. Another flip out envelope. Again, the inside's covered and you've got a piece of journaling paper there. And then a little half page. Then this is a full page. So it's beautiful images. I've got a pocket in there with a Rita Donnelly flip. The same on this side, also a Rita Donnelly flip. Then this half page here, or it's a bit more than a half. And then a pocket in the back with more of that paper that you can write on in the back with a pocket. So that's it. And then you can tie it up however you want. I've just used seam binding, especially when it's in this gorgeous colour. So I love this colour, and the tones in this paper is just beautiful. So that is what I'm giving away to one of my subscribers. So how can you actually enter? Well, first of all, you must be a subby, because when I do the draw, I do check on who has subscribed, and I appreciate everybody who subscribes, so I like to give my giveaways to those people who've subscribed. Also, you need to comment on this video, and I don't mind what you comment really. You can just say anything you like, but you need to comment because I pick the giveaway person using the YouTube comment picker. The other thing is that it's open internationally, so I will send it. It's going to send as a parcel, but I'm happy to send to whoever's name comes out in the draw. They don't have to be located in Australia, they can be anywhere in the world. But just remember, if you do win and you are outside of Australia, that our postage at the moment is quite horrendous. Even sending things internally in Australia is a real struggle. They're taking weeks to arrive. So just remember that, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So there you go. And today is Monday, and I'm going to close this on next Sunday, our time. So I think that must be the 31st, I would think, because today's the 25th. Let me just check my phone and make sure that that's the 31st so I can tell you. Let's see, October. Oh, no, next Sunday is the 1st of November. So I'm going to close it on the 1st of November, and I will announce the winner next Monday, the 2nd of November. So that'll be the 1st of November Australia time. So if you're outside of Australia, you'll need to be getting it in before the 31st. You'll need to make your comment before the 31st of November. So good luck, everybody, and I shall be back tomorrow with my normal video, but this was just a little giveaway video. Thank you very much to everyone for watching. This is Deborah. Cheers.